Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python installed and Vscode ready. Once done, install the Python extension in Vscode so language features and debugging are available. Next, open your project folder and create a requirements, txt or piproject, toml to track dependencies. Make sure Python is on your path so the terminal can run Python and pip. This prevents common interpreter selection issues. Now you're ready to pick an interpreter and create a virtual environment in the workspace. You create an isolated environment so dependencies stay project-specific, Python mvenv. Venv, or use pypenv/poetry if you prefer. Once created, activate it in an integrated terminal so pip installs go to that env. Then use Ctrl+Shift+P and run Python. Select interpreter, pick the venv interpreter to enable linting, auto-completion, and debugging in the workspace. Make sure workspace settings reference the interpreter path so teammates get the same config. After that, install your packages from requirements, txt. You finalize the environment by installing linters, formatters, and test runners so code quality is enforced. Pip install Pylint Black Pytest. Then set up a basic launch. JSON to run and debug your app and tasks. JSON for common build or test commands. Make sure Format on Save is enabled if you want automated formatting. If something goes wrong, first verify the selected interpreter path, recreate the virtual environment, and check the VS Code output and Python logs for clear error messages. That usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.